Hey, what's up, my low riders? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. And if you want to become one of my low riders, all you have to do is subscribe and hit that bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video, okay? Anyway, you guys, today I'm doing some crochet braids, and I'm doing it on a client that has hair loss. Is not due to alopecia. She got burned or something like that when she was a little girl, so that's why the hair isn't growing there. But she has beautiful hair, you guys. Beautiful hair. So yeah, that's what you're gonna see me doing right now. I'm just braiding it so that I can connect the braids to her hair with the latch hook. You guys will see what I'm doing.
So then, why? It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves.
And this product right here is Nana's Healthy Hair Elixir. Oh my goodness, you guys. I just love it. It's good for when you're getting your hair braided up for weaves or wigs. It's good for putting on your hair before you blow dry it. It's just awesome, you guys. And I will put the information on how you can order Nana's Healthy Hair Elixir in the description box. Now I'm just attaching the crochet braids into the braids.
So then, why?
And okay, you guys, when I braid her hair, I braided her hair all the way back, and I connected some of the braids, and then I put a net over it so that I'll be able to put some of the braids where there's no hair at. And then sometimes even with that, it's not firm enough. So I'll take and I will sew the braids together, like to pull the crochet sections closer together to make it fuller, if that makes any sense. We were having fun, you guys. Almost. Oh my goodness. Oh shoot, I was almost done. Almost done.
So then, why? It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. So then, why?
And all I'm doing right here, as you can see, self-explanatory, putting some mousse on the crochet braids. The hair was pretty, it was soft, but it was kind of like tight. So that mousse loosens up those curls.